I wanted to do an unboxing video and I actually did it, but it sounded really bad. It sounded like I was reading it from the paper. I don't know why I waited to get an audio interface and then get nervous on the camera. So check this out. I got this right here, audio interface from Altaria. It's called the MiniFUSE 1. It's a simple interface with one input gain for your condenser microphone or dynamic microphone, but you don't need the 48 volt phantom power for it. This is the 48 volt phantom power. This right here, this monitor, I think this one just goes for the speakers in the back, and then this goes for your headphones that you would put in there. In the back, you got a hub. You got the cord USB to go to the computer, and then you got two outputs for monitors. Also in the box was a paper that lets you download Ableton Light Live and a couple other things from Altaria. The box just says plug and play music, show you how to plug and play it, put it in your computer. Beautiful little box. And that's actually how it came. It came with the top part. Oh, I hit it hard. The top part of the box. So I'm going to start doing some podcasts. Thank you for joining me in my first unboxing.